Simnani Blazer Kamini, Ramshankar School ni, Rem Brio Pori Tangma, Swrangchati Khorokni, Pilayi Deborma, Priyanka Deborma, Twio Kulugwi Thwijanai Mani, Boroni Lukungno, Khamani Funugai, Simna Divisionni, TISF YTF ni Adongrok, Chubawikha Chashalo, Manzagikha TISF President Shazra Deborma, Simna Division Convener Rahul Deborma, YTF former District Vice President Abhijit Deborma, the former District Organizing Secretary Adorsha Deborma, the Kubuniro.
Belai na hambai sini social media activist rok no, seng tini o jaga phaimani, belai keno khamani kok sini lai thangnai salo sini khorok nei, serai rok pori tongjangnai, sini o hasakani sungsani yakari thangmani bagai, seng tini sini TISF rok bai seng pal family, seng o jaga tini khoksa khongnai hayaka ba kichasa subanani bagai phaijamani, ngai sini oro manjak tongo sini TISF ni Central President Sri Borongmunang Sajra Dev Burma, tei tongo yango sini YTF ni Vice President tei TISF ni, tei sini YTF ni joto oro pal family uina seng tini oro thanchake, seng oro Chubawikha nen phaimani.
Nai, seng joto saimano je chini monai khorok ni cherai buri, o jaga o Twio Kulugwi thimani, o kamini mongkai belejar kami, seng haimani pore seng saima kasini pipasan ko seng saimano monek ekta remote area wo seng saimano jatini pipasaro bosok situation seng tongwi tong financial lo onek problem am bagai seng tini o sinam chaini TISF tai chini YTF rong miliwi seng bongni je chini siri ni khaitai je sadrok amni je ritual song no seng khainan bagai seng je nangmani bongno seng je mansasak TISF te YTF rong miliwi seng bongno Chubawikha langka seng khayo bongni je chini monai jere khorongni thimani bongni thuano bongni atram santiman man bagai omoro dori do khani no seng omohai tini oda hai bongno je sumansa seng Chubawikha langka am bagai oda chini TISF ni Simna ni convener joint convener tai chini Simna ni YTF ongno berana hambai.
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. Ikfa University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikaria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikaria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. Ikfa University Tripura. Dream big.